Hey everyone, Start here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it opens, go to the menu by tapping the three lines at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. After you're in the Settings menu, scroll down a little until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Under that section, tap Blocking. Next, tap Block Profiles and Pages. Here, you'll see the list of profiles and pages you've blocked. If the list is hidden, tap Show to view it. To unblock someone, simply tap Unblock next to their name, and they'll be removed from your blocked list. If you have a lot of blocked profiles, you can also use the search option to quickly find the person or page you want to unblock, then tap Unblock from there. That's all you need to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.